All right, in the fight against COVID-19 tonight, 4 states have recently suspended the use of the Johnson & Johnson COVID-19 vaccine. Now, all of this after some people in those states say they experienced side effects like dizziness and fainting after receiving that one-and-done shot.
NBC4's Jamie Ostroff talked to some of Central Ohio's top doctors today. Jamie, are they concerned about the J&J vaccine?
No, Brad, they're not, and neither are researchers at the Food and Drug Administration or the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention. So I talked with infectious disease Dr. Joseph Castaldo about why doctors remain so confident in this vaccine. It's the one-and-done dose that health officials rely on to protect harder-to-vaccinate communities from COVID-19.
So far, what we know about the Johnson & Johnson vaccine is roughly over 5 million doses have been given in this country, and there have been no serious safety signals reported.
Ohio Health infectious disease specialist Dr. Joseph Castaldo has been following the news that 4 states paused the use of the Johnson & Johnson vaccine.
Most of the people who had these reactions were just observed there at the vaccination site and then sent home. There were a few people who did go to the hospital to be observed, but there was nobody who had a serious outcome over the weekend.
Dr. Castaldo shared this publicly available data on vaccine clinical trials, comparing the 3 COVID vaccines available in the U.S. It shows the Johnson & Johnson shot comes with the least reported side effects compared to the 2-dose Pfizer and Moderna vaccines. If anything, Castaldo says seeing other states take a step back from Johnson & Johnson gives him more confidence that safeguards are working.
As a physician, that actually makes me feel better when we have these pauses and do a deep dive. However, if after doing a deep dive, there's no safety signals that come up, we should feel even more confident that the vaccine is safe.
Do you think we should pause in Ohio then to do that deep dive?
If there were any signals after people having the vaccine with reactions, I would say yes. But in Ohio, we have not had anything like that happen.
So one of those 4 states that paused use of the COVID-19 vaccine from Johnson & Johnson, North Carolina, started giving it once again today. And right here at the Expo Center tomorrow, cars will be lined up to get their Johnson & Johnson shot for the drivers, of course, over here at Columbus Public Health. And I did visit with Columbus Public Health officials to talk about whether any of this negative press impacted public trust in the Johnson & Johnson vaccine. That is coming up at 6 o'clock. Live and local for you in Columbus, Jamie Ostroff, NBC4.